Hello, I'd like to welcome you to a course review on the ITIL. Okay? This is basically an IT management certification. Now, ITL stands for Information Technology and Infrastructure Library. This is a standard by UK government on information technology management and procedures and standards. I just wanted to give you an introduction and the first lecture on this. I'd like to give you a little overview and an introduction to this course. First, let's talk about what ITIL is and what it's for. First, let's talk about who this is for. This is for IT executives. I should put this as IT executives, IT architects, operations managers, IT planners, IT professionals, and system analysts. Those are the people who it's for. In terms of the syllabus, we have 8 modules. The first one is Introduction, which we'll go over today. Then we have Module 2, which is Service Management Strategy. Module 3 is Service Level Management. Module 4 is Service Design Rules. Module 5 is Additional Service Design Process. Module 6 is Service Operations. Module 7 is Continuous Service Improvements. And finally, Module 8 is Course Assessment. Basically, an overview of the course, etc. Remember something: the information for this course is meant for the certification study, and also for understanding of this course, to pass the certification and to gain proficiency as an IT manager, etc. So, that said, that's basically an overview of what the course is. I'll give you an introduction to the course. This is basically chapter 1. For chapter 1, and I want to close this over here, it's information. So remember something: the ITIL stands for Information Technology and Infrastructure Library. What it relates to mainly is best practices from across range of IT service providers, most widely adopted approach for IT service management, business to ITIL, which is bridge between IT and business, provides a practical framework for identifying, planning, delivering IT services, and also it improves service availability. So here's a natural question: why is ITIL so successful? Well, the ITIL is vendor neutral. The owner is it's owned, not owner, but owned. So I meant to put owned. The owner is or owned by UK government. It's not tied to any commercial proprietary practice, solution, or technology platform. That's one thing to consider. ITIL is not descriptive, that is, does not bind to any rules or regulations. It offers robust and time-related practices that can be adapted to all types of practice, all types of service organizations. ITIL is an agreed-upon set of practices. Yes, it is a standard that's based upon best practices. The best practices basically is a method of shown results superior to those achieved with other means. Number 2 represents learning experiences by various leaderships. It's a very general statement, just give you the idea. Now for ITIL version 4, so we're dealing with, we have 34 practices compounded with various processes leveraging the service value chain. Number 1, it is to plan, improve, engage, design, and transition. The second part of it is to obtain, build, and deliver, and support. Now we also have four dimensions of service management. Number one is the organization, people. Number two is the value stream processes. Number three is the partners and supplies. Number four is the information set / technology of it. Now for the certification timeline, as in the ITIL certification timeline, first we start with the training. Then we transition to Bridge ITIL version 4 foundations. And for certifications, on track for ITIL version 4 mastery. For exam information, we have the exam administrative details. Okay. Number one, it's based upon the foundation level in IT service management. Number two, it's a multiple choice exam. Number three, it has 40 questions. And number four is it's a 60-minute breakdown. Number five, it's a closed book exam. And number six is that the testee is required to have 26 marks, 26 points, if you would call it marks, points, pass. So that is a quick overview of it. For my next presentation, I will be going over service management as a practice. I will try my best to release this once every day, but at least once every other day. So it's either going to be once every day or once every other day, as in 5 days a week. Because I have many things that I'm putting out there. Now, the next thing I'm going to be working on will be software testing and project management. So I have two more things in the pipeline for you to learn with as well, from as well. Right? So although that is short, that is something to take in consideration. As you can see, I had to type it up, so I had my physical notes in my notebook, but it's easier to see it if it's typed up. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please click like on the video, that way it's pushed to the algorithm and more people will be able to see it. If you haven't already, please click subscribe so you'll be able to see all my videos. As I do have a variety of videos, everything from product review, book reviews, even gaming review, and also course reviews, in addition to daily news. Okay. So, if you haven't already, please click the bell button. That way, you'll be notified of all future videos. We'll have this uploaded on YouTube and Rumble for your convenience. Please subscribe to the channel, both YouTube and or Rumble, depending on what you're on. Both would be better. Okay. We want to thank you again for watching the video. I wish that you have a great day. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.